Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Vietnamese with Jane. In today's lesson, we are gonna learn about Vietnamese pronouns. You know we have only you and I in English, but we have a lot more than that in Vietnamese. Now the first pair is anh, em. Anh means older brother. You can use anh to address a male who is just a few years older than you. Em means younger siblings. You can use em to address a male or a female who is younger than you, just a few years younger than you. Chị, em. Chị means older sister. You can use chị to address a female who is just a few years older than you. And the pronouns go with it is em, as a younger person. Cha, con or mẹ, con. Cha, ba, bố means father or dad. Mẹ, má means mother or mom. Con means child. So the pair is cha, ba, bố versus con. Mẹ, má versus con. Cô versus con, cháu. Or chú versus con, cháu. So cô means aunt or miss. You can use cô to address a female who is around your parents' age. And the pronouns go with it is con or cháu. Chú means uncle. You can use chú to address a person, a male who is around your parents' age. And the pronouns goes with it is con or cháu. So the pair is cô versus con, cháu, and chú versus con, cháu. Bác means uncle. Bác is a gender neutral pronoun, so you can use bác to address a male or a female who is just a few years older than your parents. And the pronouns that goes with it is also con or cháu. Ông versus con cháu or bà versus con cháu. Ông means grandfather or Mr. You can use ông to address a male who is around your grandparents' age. And the pronouns goes with it is also con or cháu. Bà means grandmother or Mrs. You can use bà to address a female who is around your grandparents' age. And the pair to go with it is also con or cháu. Now at school, we have a teacher and students. If that is a male teacher, the pair will be thầy and em. If that is a female teacher, you will call cô, and the pronoun goes with it is em. So the pair is thầy versus em and cô versus em. Tôi means I. Tôi is a gender neutral pronoun, and it is also an age neutral pronoun. Tôi is usually used in formal contexts. and it is actually not very popular in the South. Mình means I or we. Mình is a gender-neutral pronoun. It is also an age-neutral pronoun. We usually use mình in informal contexts, in casual chat, or on social media platforms such as YouTube or Facebook, where you can comment but you don't know the other person. Bạn means friends. It also means you. Bạn is a gender-neutral pronoun. It is also an age-neutral pronoun, and it is usually used by children at schools. We also usually use the word bạn on social media platforms, like when you comment on Facebook or YouTube, but you barely know the other persons. You can use bạn to address the other person. Chúng tôi means we or us. We usually use chúng tôi in formal contexts. When you say chúng tôi, you exclude the person that you are talking to. Chúng ta means we or us. But when you use chúng ta, you include the person that you are talking to. And this is usually used in formal context as well. Mọi người means everyone or everybody. Cô versus con cháu, and Dượng versus con cháu. So cô is younger sister of your father, and Dượng is her husband. So the pair will be cô Dượng versus con cháu. Chú versus con cháu, and thím versus con cháu. So chú means uncle, who is a younger brother of your father, and thím is his wife. So the pair will be chú thím versus con cháu. Bác versus con cháu. Bác means siblings of your father, the older siblings of your father. And it can be uncle or aunt who is older than your father. So the pair will be bác versus con cháu. Cậu versus con cháu, or mợ versus con cháu. Cậu is brother of your mother, and mợ is his wife. So the pair will be cậu mợ versus con cháu. Dì versus con cháu, and Dượng versus con cháu. Dì is sister of your mother, and Dượng is her husband. So the pair will be dì Dượng versus con or cháu. Ông ngoại versus con cháu, or bà ngoại versus con cháu. Ông ngoại is your grandfather, but he is your mother's father. Bà ngoại is your grandmother, and she is your mother's mother. And the pair will be ông bà ngoại versus con cháu. Ông nội versus con cháu, or bà nội versus con cháu. So ông nội is your grandfather, but he is your father's father. Bà nội is grandmother, and she is your father's mother. So the pair will be ông bà nội versus con cháu. Họ means they. Nó means he or she or it, but we only use nó to address the third person who is younger than us. You must be very careful with these pronouns because we only use it to address a younger person. Anh ấy or ảnh means he, so we use anh ấy or ảnh to refer to a third person who is a male and older than us. Chị ấy or chị means he, means she or her, so we use chị ấy or chị to address a third person who is a female and who is older than us. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.